Greetings, RV enthusiasts. Welcome back to another insightful video brought to you by the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the crucial topic of RV roof inspection. Your RV's roof is your first defense against the elements, and keeping it in optimal condition is essential for a hassle-free adventure. Inspecting your RV roof doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following a few simple steps, you can ensure that your roof stays leak-free and structurally sound. Let's get started. Firstly, find a suitable location to perform the inspection. Make sure your RV is parked on a level surface, and you have access to a sturdy ladder. Safety should always be your top priority to prevent any accidents while inspecting the roof. Next, carefully examine the entire roof surface. Look for any signs of cracks, tears, or punctures, as even a small imperfection can lead to water leaks or further damage. Pay special attention to areas around vents, skylights, and seams as they are prone to developing leaks. During your inspection, keep an eye out for any signs of water damage such as discoloration or soft spots. These are indications that leaks may have already occurred. It's crucial to address these issues promptly to prevent further damage to your RV's interior and structure. In addition to visual inspection, don't forget to check the roof seals and caulking. Over time, these sealants can deteriorate, leading to potential leaks. If you notice any cracks or gaps, it's important to reseal them using a suitable sealant recommended by your RV's manufacturer. Regular cleaning is another essential aspect of roof maintenance. Remove any debris, dirt, or moss that may have accumulated on the roof's surface. This not only keeps your RV looking its best but also helps to extend the roof's lifespan. To sum it up, regular RV roof inspection is crucial for a worry-free journey. By following these simple steps and keeping a close eye on your roof's condition, you'll ensure that your RV remains secure from any weather-related mishaps. We hope you found this comprehensive guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our Daily RV Life YouTube channel for more informative content about RV maintenance, travel tips, and much more. Until next time, happy RVing!